Dane Cook Day. Dane's he's not reader, but he went to September 17th and all the rest of the year. So why not? We have a resolution here from the Washington City Council that says it all. We also have a bean pot. We have one of kind of bean pot. Washington City Council signed by all of my colleagues here. Naming it Wednesday, September 17th, Dane Cook Day, City Park. Thank you, gentlemen.
First of all, I want to say thank you very much, John. But I did also think that was a blessing check that you want me to look at. So that's maybe it's going to be I think finally taking care today to my family, but mostly I think empty chairs. So thank you. Sold out at the Boston Garden. You know, the Japanese have a word feng shui, about having an urban energy, and I want to say you really nailed it with this. Like being inside a tube. Jersey barriers. But it's very good here when you're in bed watching. And also Saturday, for several years, 4 years, stand-up comedy, sitting in traffic on top of the old expressway there, dreaming about someday emulating Steve Martin and several other comedic heroes, growing up listening to everybody from Coffee and New Harvard. Big dreams of hopefully coming back to Boston as a stand-up comedian and entertainer. So to be standing here today after receiving so many accolades over the years, and receiving this and having this be Dane Cook today is deeply moving to me. I wish my mom had been here today. I really think they would have thought that was just an incredible feat, given how many days I was punished for being